You did a whole series of
यस यस हम
yeah,
औरतें करके
हाँ,
भी डिड
हाँ,
या
yeah,
एग्जैक्टली
yeah.
और हमने इश्यूज पे किया प्रिया मतलब if you remember we did this petition. I was part of the petitioner against this very so-called respectable Pakistani Urdu poet. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And we were in court against him. और फिर पता क्या हुआ, पता चला कि मैं अगर कहीं सड़क पे चल रही हूँ कोई आवाज़ आती है, शिमा जी आपने जो वो उनके खिलाफ पेटिशन किया था उस आदमी ने मेरे साथ भी ऐसा किया.
सब
I
उठ
mean,
जाती हैं आवाजें.
इतने
हैरी वाइनस्टाइन वाला केस
एग्जैक्टली
है वो. एक औरत ने
एग्जैक्टली
आवाज उठाई, हिम्मत की,
और क्या
और
बिल्कुल.
सारे आगे सामने आ
एंड
गए,
दैट वाज
सारा
डॉक्टर
सच
निविन
निकल
हैदर
आया.
ऑफ
या
कराची यूनिवर्सिटी हु
या
एक्चुअली सेड कि नहीं ठीक है मैं तो जाऊंगी कोर्ट में.
या
एंड शी डिड.
माशाल्लाह.
She passed away unfortunately,
All
but
right, so that's you were honoring her
yeah,
with
exactly,
this thing, and then
exactly.
you did the whole Palestine thing, which, by the way, I think I was at the event, but मैं जब
You
आई,
were, हाँ.
मैं आई हूँ उस वक्त आप चली गई थी.
अच्छा अच्छा
मुझे लोगों ने बताया कि you know what happened, you know what happened. So I
अच्छा
think
अच्छा
that,
अच्छा
but
अच्छा.
that I think made more noise than
चलो
any
अच्छा हुआ, at least people were
protest
talking
that,
about it.
yeah,
Because nobody
exactly.
walked out with me. I was the only
No,
one.
no, and I would have
But
walked
doesn't
out
matter.
with you had I known. मैं देर से आई और मुझे लोगों ने बताया जब मैं आई कि
But I hadn't planned it ना, वो तो बिल्कुल
yeah,
एकदम मुझे
yeah,
ऐसा एहसास फीलिंग
गुस्सा
हुई.
चढ़ा हुआ.
हाँ and I said
हाँ,
well
what
मेरा
is this
जैसे
nonsense.
फैज साहब की है ना कि बोल के लब आज़ाद हैं तेरे,
हाँ,
तो मैंने कहा कि भाई why don't
मगर ये
we.
आपका गुस्सा आता है. कभी कभी लोग कहते हैं कि ट्रॉमा जो होता है किसी की जिंदगी में उससे से बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है. I mean,
अच्छा.
you have you been through something like
I've
that?
been through a lot of traumas.
Have you
Yes
been through
yes
sexual harassment?
yes yes
Oh,
absolutely.
you were a dancer. You're
Yes
like so
yes lots
bold
of
out there.
very
राइट
yeah
क्या करती
yeah.
थी आप? हाथ मारती थी उनको, कुछ कहती थी, पता भी नहीं चलता भाई, बाद में समझ आती है. कभी कभी तो ये भी नहीं पता
कई
चलता
दफ़ा
कि
तो
ये
you can't react,
हरासमेंट
कई
है.
दफ़ा and you
यू
can't
कांट,
react. And
you're
if
in
there are
public.
and if there are 10 men harassing
Yeah,
you, what do
yeah,
you do? I mean,
yeah.
if they're assaulting you, what do you do? So
Do
one has
women,
faced all of that.
you have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any kind of domestic issues? Did you
No,
go through that?
no.
You were too this thing.
I
You're too
chose the men
independent.
who were feminists.
Yes, obviously. आप तो वो एक मिनट भी नहीं आप तो उस जमाने में इतनी इंडिपेंडेंट थी. Wow. What about
Yeah.
cases? Do
मतलब
people?
जैसे अब मेरी स्टूडेंट्स कहती है ना
हाँ,
कि शिमा जी अब मुझे अपने हस्बैंड से बात करनी पड़ेगी अबाउट अ परफॉर्म. मैंने तो कभी ज़िंदगी में सोची ही नहीं थी इस तरह की बात.
इजाजत.
एग्जैक्टली. और बाकी में हमारे पेरेंट्स ने भी हमको ये चीज़ें नहीं सिखाई कि
बता
इजाज़त.
देते थे बस.
I mean, actually we grew up with these different values
Yes.
of human equality की values थी.
Exactly.
As you said, कि we didn't differentiate because of religion,
Yes,
we didn't
yes.
differentiate because of class also.
हाँ.
मतलब जो the people who were in my parents' home as the domestics who looked after my mother till she died at the age of 93.
Mashallah.
They were like part of the family,
Family,
you know.
yeah.
मतलब ये नहीं कि one
Yeah.
looked down on them.
Yeah.
तो ये सारी चीज़ें, I think it's the values that you are brought
You're
up
brought up with.
And
I
they
agree
stick
with
with
you.
you.
And they stick with you, and we're very lucky to have them.
Yes.
And
Very
we must
privileged
pass
to have
on
that.
pass on
Absolutely.
as much as we can to other people to understand that you're not ever alone. We are there, and you can raise your voice, and even just making, it's kind of like a therapy, just to make that board which says, "Mera jism, meri marzi."
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not an object.
Yes.
I'm
And
not
now
a
that
this
we use that as a slogan.
as a slogan.
I
Yeah.
mean, I think इतनी लड़कियों को वो एक फीलिंग ऑफ एम्पावरमेंट
Empowerment
होता है
है,
जब वो
हाँ.
उसमें हिस्सा लेती हैं और आवाज़ निकालती हैं.
And you're doing it on Mother's Day. And there, I want to
Yes.
bring that up also. You didn't have children, right?
I decided not to have
Now,
children.
why? Now, I want this is very important because everyone thinks that's the only role a woman has in life.
मेरा ये that is also part of my protest के why because I'm a woman
Yeah.
must I be a mother?
Huh.
Why?
Yes, yeah.
मतलब I didn't feel I never
Yeah.
desired to be a mother. मेरी
Right.
कभी ऐसी ख्वाहिश नहीं हुई
Yeah.
कि मैं एक माँ बनूँ. So I just decided कि no, it's my body and I will make my decisions about my
Right.
body myself.
Yeah. What, your husbands were okay with that?
Yeah.
They were okay
Yeah.
with that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's what I'm always teaching my children. because it's a constant pressure ना कि जब बच्चों की शादी हो जाती है, like you know it's automatic कि oh when are you having a child, when
I know,
what the hell,
pressure, और लड़कियों के
the
पास प्रेशर
hell?
कितना होता
Do
है.
what you want, freeze your eggs, do what you want.
Yeah, exactly.
Adopt. So Shima, I want to know, you know, when I read that, I was a bit surprised because I mean, obviously it's on the net, but I want to expose it more.
No,
Tell
no,
me
no. I
about
want to
this.
explain that.
Huh.
Was not nominated
For the Nobel
I
Prize.
mean, I was one of the people who actually. A group of feminists all over the world
Right.
got together
Yeah.
and they decided कि for that year, I can't even remember which year it was, कि the Peace Prize should go to a woman. And then they said, but a woman नहीं होना चाहिए because there's so many women all over the world
Right.
who have been leading struggles
Right.
वगैरह. So they actually chose 100 women from all over the world. So I'm one of the 100.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
I'm one of the 100, which is also a great
Yeah.
privilege and a great honor.
Yes.
So I'm one of the 100 chosen from all over the world to be nominated.
Right.
But the Nobel Prize people did not accept those nominations.
They didn't.
तो नहीं मिला किसी को भी नहीं, मगर वो nominations are on record.
But that's
And
great.
Yeah, I think
That's
that is
also
such
great
an honor. It's
way
such
to
an honor.
and finally we did get a Malala. who,
Yes,
you
yes,
know,
absolutely.
When I used to go abroad, किसी को पता ही
I
नहीं
think
होता
that
था
was so wonderful.
कि-
That was so
कि
wonderful.
I met this Argentinian guy in Mexico, and he said, "I don't know anything about Pakistan, but I know Malala," and I was just proud of the fact that there was a young girl from
Yes.
Pakistan who was able to put us on the map for the right reasons.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You
I
know?
really think
Yeah.
it was a wonderful thing कि उसको मिला.
So Malala got it, and then of course our other.
Yes, Dr. Abdul Salam.
Right.
अब दोनों Nobel Prize winners को हम लोग नहीं recognize
Acknowledge,
करना
अभी
चाहते.
आई है वो वापस
Yeah.
अपने
Imagine
गांव
कर-
गई हैं वापस
बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज वो अपने मुल्क भी नहीं आ सकती थी.
Exactly.
Can you
And
imagine?
I mean, I don't know why people here are so against her. I just don't understand.
Because she's propagating education, and once you're educating the girls, and not just girls, she's educating everybody, it's her right.
Absolutely.
Then that will also stop the control. So we're
Bilkul,
living in a very I actually also agree with you. I have never seen in the last 5 years the things that have happened to Pakistan.
है ना?
मेरी एक दोस्त ने मुझे कहा, जो बाहर रहती है, उसका मियाँ मर गया था. He was trying to save an honor killing. Okay. And once he died, once he was murdered, okay, trying to save that girl from honor killing, वो आए थे उसको मारने. She moved her kids out, she moved herself. She was on Oprah Winfrey as well, talking about it. She said, ये जो सब कुछ हो रहा है ना पाकिस्तान में, ये एक कहर है. It's punishment to the country, to the people for all the rubbish that we are doing. And you know, I mean, obviously that's a way of looking at it. But you know, we've had floods, we've had COVID, we've had political upheaval, but I just feel now we're kind of regressed back to the Zia era where we had that kind of control.
मतलब प्रिया मैं तो इसमें ऐड करूँगी
जी.
कि I feel कि it's not back to the Zia era, it's worse than that. Why? Because Zia era में it was the government and the state that was oppressive
Right.
and reactionary and fundamentalist.
Okay.
But the people were not. People were still, there was dissent. There were people were still fighting. आप याद करें कि women's organizations were protesting against the Chad. There was a lot of protest.
We were protesting.
We were all
we
up.
became models
we were all
and
standing
fashion.
up. No? Exactly.
Music came back.
अब क्या है, अब लोगों के अंदर वो फंडामेंटलिस्ट आइडियाज आ गए
हैं.
अब लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं ये तो हमारे मज़हब के ख़िलाफ़ है, ये तो हमारे कल्चर के ख़िलाफ़, बिकॉज जो आइडियाज़ आपने उनके दिमागों पे पुश बैंक किए वो निकल के आ रहे हैं. सो I feel it's even worse.
You're right. And I think on that note, but there's always hope.
But yes,
Yeah.
I mean, when we go and perform in the communities, so many young girls come up and say, yeah, you get that very clear feeling that the girls are ready for a change. They want a change. They
The
want
young
to change
people.
their lives. They
Yeah.
want to see a change in society. They want to be more empowered.
Yes.
And they will.
And the young
They
people
will
want
get
to
it.
change the economics. There's so many
yeah.
people who are leaving. that in itself is telling you कि भाई change is inevitable.
Absolutely.
And on that very happy, hopeful note, we thank Shima for coming and gracing us with her amazing thoughts and amazing fight and amazing struggles and successes and triumphs and continuous. It's continuous, guys. It takes a lot of energy. You know, I'm energized. Like मुझे किसी ने injection लगा दिया है जैसे कि मैं, you know, and
Oh,
I would
thank you, thank you.
always love to be part of whatever fight there is out there to institute this change and to अगर आपकी बात से किसी को भी help हो जाती है, that would be so good. And we have
Yes.
something for
and
you.
also I think Priya,
Yeah.
what is very important is that media supports
Media,
these things. So
yeah.
I'm very happy that
Yeah.
you're taking up issues like this,
Right.
child abuse and
Yes.
women's rights and
Yes.
what are all the things that we are talking about.
Right.
क्योंकि सारा असर तो मीडिया के
Yes.
जरिए से होता है
और
लोगों
अब तो सोशल मीडिया से ही
हाँ,
मैं I
बिल्कुल।
always say the only justice now, you're not going to get justice in court.
का। हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं।
As a rape victim, it is so
Absolutely.
difficult to prove
Yeah.
anything. इतना मुश्किल कर देते हैं आपके लिए और 10-10 साल 20-20 साल आप लड़ते रहें अपनी ज़मीन
बिल्कुल।
जो आपकी है उसके लिए,
बिल्कुल।
लेकिन अगर आप सोशल मीडिया को उठाते हैं तो वहीं पे आपको
makes a
जस्टिस
difference.
मिलता है और वहीं पे आपको लोगों की आवाज़ें उठती हैं. So thank you so much again.
Thank
we have
you.
a
Thank you
small
for
little
having
gift
me.
for you.
Oh, thank you.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
thank you so much for being on FY. And ladies and gentlemen, Khawateen wa Hazrat, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the FY podcast.
I'm Shima Kirmani and I'm asking you to like, comment and subscribe on the FY channel, YouTube channel. Please do. You will enjoy it.